Sleep, often overlooked, plays a pivotal role in our overall health and well-being. It's not just about feeling rested. Sleep has profound effects on various bodily functions. Firstly, sleep aids in cognitive functions. It enhances memory, decision-making, and problem-solving skills. During deep sleep, the brain forms and consolidates memories, making it essential for learning. Secondly, sleep is crucial for emotional well-being. Lack of sleep can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. It affects our ability to cope with stress and regulate emotions. On the physical front, sleep plays a role in healing and repair of the heart and blood vessels. Chronic sleep deficiency is linked to heart disease, kidney disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and stroke. Furthermore, adequate sleep supports growth and development in children and boosts muscle repair. It also balances the hormones that make you feel hungry or full, thus impacting weight management. Lastly, sleep affects the immune system. Insufficient sleep may lead to a weakened immune response, making one more susceptible to infections. In conclusion, sleep isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene can lead to improved mental, emotional, and physical health.